Hey everyone, welcome back. We are going to do another recipe from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. All of these recipes in here are kidney friendly, so it's low potassium, low sodium, low phosphorus, and they all still taste really, really good. So if you are new here, we are going to be doing every recipe in here. This book is available on Amazon. I will leave a link in the caption below, and feel free to subscribe to follow along for more. Ready?
Yep.
Say, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
Santa Fe baked cottage taco. So for this recipe, you're going to need
Cottage cheese,
some cottage cheese,
an egg.
You're going to need some egg whites. I just use nature egg. You can use whatever egg whites you want. Need some black pepper, and you're going to need some pesto. Again, you can use whatever brand you'd like to use. For toppings, you're going to need some microgreens. So I just have arugula and some baby spinach. And you're also going to need extra virgin olive oil. I again use the Gallo brand. You can use whatever brand you want. Your first step before we get started is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna do that. We're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. So we're gonna line the cookie sheet with parchment paper. I just have these cooking sheets, so that's what I'm going to use. You wanna grab a bowl and take your cottage cheese. 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. So I'm going to give this to him. Don't worry about language. Okay, hold this please.
Okay.
Then you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of egg whites in here. Ooh. We're gonna put a dash of pepper, and we're gonna whisk this together. Take this mixture and you're going to place it on your baking sheet just in a pile. So you can see there, I just have it in one big circle. It actually stays, which I did not think it was going to. Once your oven is heated, you're going to put that in for 25 minutes. So I'll be back in 25 minutes. So since the egg taco is almost done, I'm gonna go start frying my egg on a pan, and then we'll come back and everything should be done. Down, it's nice and crispy. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pesto. I'm gonna add some of my microgreens on there, arugula and spinach, and there we go. So now I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna try some.
It was actually really good. Pretty good, isn't it? I don't think I would have any recommendations for changing anything in this. I think it's really good. I really like the pesto, and I'm not really like a pesto fan, but I think this is super, super good. So again, this recipe is from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. If you want to follow along for more recipes, subscribe to the channel. This book is also available on Amazon, and I have the link in the caption. So if you want to follow along with me at home, you can do so by ordering this. So we'll see you next time, and have a good one.